Regina, stop being all pussy. Well, I guess you are. I guess you are what you eat, huh? It's cold.
It's cool, mommy.
It's cold, buddy.
I guess you are what you eat, man.
Oh, Bunny. What are you doing? So who gave you those tattoos, Regina?
Huh?
Who gave you them tattoos, Regina?
The one that said fuck and all?
Yeah. Oh, how cute. Are they from Paris?
I remember. No, it hurt.
Or are they from my cousin Marlena?
Hey, bitch, from you.
No, they ain't. Me and Regina are just friends. They're not from me.
Mommy.
That's what the fuck up, Joanna.
Look at her sitting like a fucking diva.